Hello, friends. How are you? Hope you all are doing well. Friends, today I will talk to you about cross stitch, which is slowly trending. So, I thought, why not update you on it now? We are showing you cross stitch pattern designs in today's video. Hope you will like these designs. All designs are trending and very stylish. Friends, if you want to do something new and you don't understand anything, then you can try these new designs. These designs are going to be very attractive. Friends, even you can guess by looking at the design of this video. Please watch full video before liking any design. And don't forget to take a screenshot of whatever design you like. Please make sure to tell which design you like in the comment box. And let us know what you like. Friends, if you talk about fashion, some new trend is always coming. Friends, if you don't know what to do in the trend, cross-stitch pattern designs have come in such a trend. These designs will give you a very relaxed and stylish look. The designs are very attractive and beautiful. Cross-stitch patterns have created an image that keeps trending from time to time. These are very beautiful cross-stitch designs. It has different colors which looks quite decent. It depends on you, what you like. First of all, friends, I have a small request for you. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon given along with it so that the notification of my every upcoming video can reach you and you can watch my video and can get new ideas. Friends, I have brought you an outstanding collection. As you can see, there are so many designs. that these designs will force people to say, wow, very beautiful. Because all these designs I have collected for you after a lot of hard work. I have painstakingly made a video for you. I thought, why not share them with my viewers and my subscribers? If you guys like this video, please like this video and share it with your friends. And watch full video without skipping. People can see very cute and new designs from my video. So friends, please visit my channel once, because hopefully you can get benefit from this video and can get many new ideas from my video. And hope you will enjoy this video very much. Friends, please like my video and subscribe my channel to stay tuned in the world of fashion. So you don't get left behind, so that we continue to share with you the life connected with fashion, and you continue to get new ideas and enjoy from our video. A cross stitch pattern is a digital file with instructions and a symbolic chart that you use to craft a piece of embroidery. I sell digital patterns only, so you will need to provide the fabric, thread and needles. From beautiful flower patterns and adorable animal designs to easy cross-stitch patterns with letters and words, we have the best selection of free cross-stitch patterns. These free cross-stitch patterns will keep you stitching all years long. There are a variety of style here, so there's something new for everyone. Whether you love traditional patterns or you only want to stitch up modern pieces. Also, the size and number of thread colors used increases the difficulty of the pattern. Cross stitching was traditionally used for decorating household, dishcloths, or table lines. But nowadays, this type of embroidery served as a framed art and wall decorations. Many people even take up cross stitching as a hobby for its relaxing and distressing powers. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this full video. And hopefully we will meet again in a new video with a new topic. Until then, keep